Hello, in front of me I've got Microsoft Surface Headphones. In this video I'll show you gestures of your headset. Firstly, let's start with play or pause music. In order to do it, simply tap this area on either air cup once. Play next track. Tap this area twice. Play the previous track. Tap this area 3 times. Next, let's go to calls. In order to answer the call, tap this area twice on either air cup. To end the call, during the call, again tap this area twice. To mute the call, press the mute button on the right air cup, which is right here. Now, to decline a call, tap and hold the touch area on either air cup. Now, let's go to turn the volume up and down. To increase the volume, turn the dial on the right air cup forward. This is the right air cup. In order to increase the volume, you'll have to do this gesture. To decrease volume, do it like this. So this is increase and this is decrease. Now let's go to adjusting noise cancellation. To increase noise cancellation on the left dial, make this gesture forward. To decrease noise cancellation, make the same gesture but backwards. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.